Hello, here is the video to preview Tuesday, November 10th. Let's begin with the learning menu. So first things first, you can click on the speaker to have me read the learning menu, but I will read it to you now. We begin with math. You're going to need your personal whiteboard with a marker and eraser and your math workbook. Lesson 7 is where we're going to work on 2-digit numbers times 1-digit number. After math, we have snack, and after snack, we have grammar. Tuesday adjectives is kind of fun. It's like a Mad Lib. Well, actually, let me show you the exit ticket so you can see what you're going to do. You're going to use the place value chart. I made boxes for you. And then also, we are going to teach you how to do the partial products. So you'll learn how to do that tomorrow. And the Tuesday adjectives, as I said, is like a Mad Lib. So you're going to have this word bank, and you're going to fill in the blanks. So you're going to use the adjectives in the word bank or come up with your own adjectives that make sense to fill in the blanks. We have purple, young. So the speaker here, if you click on it, I read all of this to you. And it says, one day, a frog hopped along a very path. So you have to type in all of these boxes using these words. You may change your mind along the way and want to switch your adjectives. That's okay. Read it to yourself, and if you're like, that doesn't make sense, so reread it so that it makes sense to you. After grammar, you have your special. Our class has phys ed. And after lunch for literacy, you're going to go into your breakout rooms again, and you're going to read some firsthand experiences, the stories of their firsthand experiences. Lawrence Beasley, Margaret Brown, and Jack Thayer. And for each story, I do read it to you. Then you're going to work in your breakout room to compare their stories. So if you read Lawrence Beasley, you're going to type here what age he was at the time that Titanic sailed, the family or friends he was traveling with, the purpose of his trip, like why did he go on the trip, if he was a first, second, or third class passenger. Now, if the information is not there, I typed in information not given. If you have to kind of read between the lines, because it doesn't specifically say for Margaret Brown if she was a first, second, or third class passenger, but you can figure it out by the clues in the passage. So you still type it there. There are 2 pages. So we're going to do this for 2 days, and then we're all going to share. So you are only going to fill in the information for the person that you are reading about. After that, you're going to do day 2 of the writing camp, and I'll show that to you. So for this, you have to read every single page, and then it's going to tell you to add your what does it look like to your list. And that is writing. And after recess, we do have social studies. It's going to be mountains and landforms, and it's going to look very similar. There's a video. They're labeled mountains and landforms, labeled again, that you're going to label them, and then you're going to identify major landforms. So it's very similar. Social studies is very similar every day. So that is your Tuesday.